Turkey's defense and aerospace industry has continued to demonstrate impressive development over the past few decades. After successfully developing combat drones, helicopters, armored vehicles, and various modern defense systems, Turkey is now further strengthening its position in the global aviation sector through the Airbus A400M Atlas strategic transport aircraft program. Turkey's involvement in the A400M program extends beyond its role as a user. The country is also an industrial partner, contributing to the manufacture of several key aircraft components through its national aerospace company, Turkish Aerospace Industries. Through Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, Turkey manufactures the various main structures of the A400M aircraft, which require a very high level of precision. These components are then sent to the final assembly facility to be assembled into a complete aircraft. Assembling an aircraft as large as the A400M is a highly complex undertaking. The process begins with the assembly of the various main fuselage structures. After that, the massive wings spanning over 42 meters were carefully assembled using specialized equipment. Next, the vertical and horizontal tail sections were installed to create the aircraft's aerodynamic configuration. In the next stage, technicians began installing the hydraulic system, electrical wiring, fuel system, and various avionics components. After the main structure was completed, 4 Europrop TP400 turboprop engines were installed on the wings. These engines are among the most powerful turboprop engines ever developed for a military aircraft. Thorough testing of all aircraft systems was then conducted before the A400M's maiden flight. One reason the A400M is considered a next-generation transport aircraft is because of the technology it carries. The aircraft is equipped with a modern fly-by-wire system that allows for more precise control than conventional mechanical systems. This technology helps improve safety while reducing pilot workload. The aircraft is capable of low-level flight automatically using the automatic low-level flight system. This technology allows the A400M to fly close to the ground to reduce the likelihood of detection by enemy radar. Furthermore, the aircraft features a self-defense system that includes threat warning sensors, missile jamming devices, and chaff and flare release systems. The A400M significantly enhances the Turkish Air Force's logistical capabilities. It can transport combat vehicles, light tanks, helicopters, and humanitarian aid to remote locations quickly. The aircraft's ability to land on low-cost runways provides a strategic advantage, allowing troops and supplies to be delivered directly to the operational area without requiring large airports. The Airbus A400M Atlas is a strategic military transport aircraft developed to meet modern military transport needs. It is designed as a bridge between tactical transport aircraft and large-capacity strategic transport aircraft. With a length of approximately 45 meters and a wingspan of over 42 meters, the A400M boasts an impressive size. Its payload capacity reaches approximately 37 tons, enabling the aircraft to carry armored vehicles, helicopters, heavy military equipment, and even hundreds of personnel in a single flight. Another advantage is the aircraft's ability to operate on short and unpaved runways. This capability makes the A400M highly effective in supporting military operations, peacekeeping missions, humanitarian aid, and emergency evacuations. Furthermore, the A400M is capable of aerial refueling, both as a receiver and a supplier. This flexibility makes it one of the most versatile military transport aircraft ever built. The A400M program involves several partner countries collaborating on the aircraft's development and production. Turkey is one of the participating countries, taking on key responsibilities within the global production chain. In addition to contributing to component production, Turkey has also successfully developed its A400M aircraft maintenance and modernization capabilities.